chief guest, principal sister, manager sister, and dear teachers. Today is a very auspicious day. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the proud of the Republic Day of India.
The concept of light and darkness is useful in talking about both life and the contrast between happiness and sadness. In the right light, at the right time, every time is extraordinary. Light is a symbol of truth, knowledge, and understanding. Darkness is the absence of light. This lighting ceremony also relates of light for this occasion. I request chief guests and our principal sister, manager sister, please come on the stage and do the honor.
Now, I would like to invite the dignitaries to commemorate the flag hosting. I request all to do wonderful clap and salute to the flag. भारत माता की वंदे वंदे जय जय गणतंत्र दिवस
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी का। सबसे पहले आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। आपने इतने अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी की है और इतने अच्छे बच्चों को गाइडलाइन करके शिक्षा के अंतर्गत मुझे जानकारी देने है, इसके लिए मैं आप लोगों को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी। और जितनी अच्छे से आप लोग अपने विद्यालय की स्वच्छता के अंतर्गत जो सार्थक आपके विद्यालय में दिखाई दे रही है, उसके लिए मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी। और ऐसे ही अच्छे लगन से अच्छे तरीके से आप लोग बच्चों को गाइडलाइन करते हैं ताकि वो अपने भविष्य में अपने जीवन को अच्छे से बना सके और आपकी जो प्रेरणा जो आप देंगे उसी के अनुरूप वो अपना कर्तव्य अपने परिवार के प्रति, अपने देश के प्रति, अपने खुद के प्रति अच्छे से निभा सके। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much for your inspiring words. I request our principal sister to give memento to our chief guest.
Let us make a pledge to our motherland that we will do everything that we can to rid it of all the evils. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our souls. Let's salute our flag. Now I would like to invite our little champion, little star, Shreya Bharadwaj from class 1 to say few lines about our constitution.
Good morning, everyone. Respected sister, manager sister, teachers, and all my dear friends and students. Today I am going to speak few words about Republic Day. This is 72nd Republic Day. Every year we celebrate this day on 26th January. We all know that why celebrate Republic Day, because on this day our country got its constitution. Constitution gives all of us the same right, this right any district of religion, color or language. Indian Constitution is the largest constitution of the world. We should proud that we are Indian. So come on, we stay together. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Shreya, for your beautiful line.
In true sense, freedom is being free of diseases, greediness, and filthy mind. Next, I would like to invite our two little angels, Vedika Bhagat from class 1 and Paridhi Bhagat from class PP1, to show their talents towards our nation. Give a big hand to them.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तो, आबाद रहे तो। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Thank you so much, my dear students, for your wonderful performance. Now, I would like to invite Astha Sande from class 8 for your English speech.
Good morning to all. Myself Astha Sande from class 8. First of all, I want to wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. Today, India is celebrating its 72nd Republic Day to mark the first revolution against the British regime. It is on this day the India Constitution was adopted in 1950 after attaining the independence on 15 August 1947. In India, Republic Day is not less than a festival. The whole country, regardless of creed, caste, religion, beams with joy and happiness. The entire country is laced in tricolors to convey that India is a nation where unity in diversity is celebrated. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi, I'm Sara. 26th January celebrated as Republic Day. So let us sing a Republic Day song. Happy Republic Day, Happy Republic Day, Happy Republic Day for all Indians. Happy Republic Day, Happy Republic Day, Happy Republic Day for all Indians. India is my country, I am proud of it. It's a republic country, I will sing this day. India is my country, I am proud of it. It's a republic country, I will sing this day. India is my country, I am proud of it. India is my country, I am proud of it. I salute the soldiers and the great people. I salute the soldiers and the great people. I remember all the freedom fighters. I remember all the freedom fighters. India is my country, I am proud of it. India is my country, I am proud of it. It's a republic country, I will sing this day. It's a republic country, I will sing this day. India is my country, I am proud of it. India is my country, I am proud of it. Happy Republic Day, Happy Republic Day, Happy Republic Day for all Indians. Happy Republic Day, Happy Republic Day, Happy Republic Day for all Indians, for all Indians, for all Indians. Happy Republic Day. Thank you.
इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया है। इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया है। झूम उठो देशवासियों, गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है। ना सरकार मेरी है, ना रौब मेरा है, ना बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है। ना सरकार मेरी है, ना रौब मेरा है, ना बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है। मुझे तो एक छोटी सी बात का गर्व है, मैं हिंदुस्तान की हूँ और हिंदुस्तान मेरा है। Now I would like to invite our respected sister principal to say some golden words on this occasion. Kindly come on the stage, sister.
Dear teachers, parents, students and citizens of our nation, at the outset, I wish you 72 Happy Republic Day. We are proud to be Indians and to have world's largest democratic nation of the people, by the people and for the people. Today, I would say there is a saying. It is hard to live in India and fight with Indians. It is hard to say many things taking place over here. In one of the books named My Vision for India, late President APJ Abdul Kalam has said, "You say that our government is inefficient. You say that our laws are too old. You say that our municipality does not pick up the garbage. You say that phones do not work. You say railways are always ajar. You say emails doesn't reach to the destination. Our country has been fed to the dogs and it is in absolute peace. You say, I say, we say, and again say. Let me ask you, what do you do about it? Dear Indian brothers and sisters and people of the nation, the words of J.F. Kennedy is echoing in my ears. He said to the Americans, relate to Indians, ask what can we do for India and do what has been done to make India more vibrant as other countries are today. Do you agree? Do you feel the dire need of it? Brothers, wake up. March forward. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Chhattisgarh.
Thank you, sister, for your beautiful and inspiring words.
Now, I would like to invite Swati ma'am for vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guest, principal sister, manager sister, teachers, students, and my dear friends. On the behalf of St. Francis English Medium School, Naktikhar, I would like to thank our chief guest for finding precious time from her busy schedule. We are very thankful to you for making this program a success one. I would also like to thank our principal sister for her encouraging words and support. Your words and thoughts always inspire us. And lastly, I would like to thank our teachers, students and dear parents for your wonderful support and kindness. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Once again, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Chhattisgarh.